To integrate Apple Pay default card. Start by understanding what Apple Pay is and how it works. Apple Pay is a digital wallet service that allows users to make payments using their Apple devices. It stores credit or debit card information securely and allows for contactless payments. First, ensure your device is compatible with Apple Pay and that you have the latest version of iOS. You will also need to have a credit or debit card that is compatible with Apple Pay. Most major banks and card issuers support Apple Pay. To add a credit or debit card to Apple Pay, go to the Wallet app on your device and tap the plus sign in the top right corner. You will be prompted to take a photo of your card or enter the card details manually. Follow the prompts to verify your card with your bank. Once your card is added to Apple Pay, you can set it as the default card. To do this, go to the Settings app on your device. Then tap Wallet and Apple Pay. Tap Default Card and select the card you want to use as your default. You can also change the default card at any time by following the same steps. When you make a payment using Apple Pay, your device will automatically use the default card. You can also switch to a different card during the payment process if needed. To do this, hold your device near the contactless reader and authenticate with Face ID. Touch ID, or your passcode, on the payment screen. Tap the card you want to use and confirm the payment. Best practices for using Apple Pay include keeping your device and card information up to date, monitoring your account activity regularly, and using strong security features like Face ID or Touch ID to protect your device. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily integrate Apple Pay default card and make secure and convenient payments using your Apple device.